Okay, in this video, I'm going to do the Chapter 3 review, but I'm going to talk about numbers 9, 10, and 11. They all go with that one equation of a parabola. Okay, so they want me to state the domain, the range, and describe all transformations. So it doesn't tell me to do this, but sometimes it's helpful to sketch a graph. Notice I don't have graph paper, and that's okay. Because I see the squared, I know it's going to be a parabola. And remember, my HK is going to be switch the sign, keep the sign. So 2, 7. So again, I'm not counting anything out. I'm not even worried about a scale. I'm just knowing 2, 7 would be right and up. So there's 2, 7. Again, I know it's a parabola. It's positive, so it's opening up. Remember, 3 means it's a vertical stretch, so it'll be thinner. It'll be stretched thinner than a normal one, which you can't necessarily tell on a sketch. But here is my sketch, okay, with the vertex, which is very important. Now when I'm looking at this, and I am asked to find the domain would be all the x values. So if I move to the left, I'm actually moving to the left forever and ever and ever, and to the right forever and ever and ever. So my domain in interval notation is negative infinity to infinity. And remember, infinity and negative infinity always have parentheses, never a bracket for infinity. And the low number always goes first, high number second. So the negative goes first, the positive second. The range is slightly more complicated because I can't go down forever. Eventually, I stop at this point. Okay, I do go up forever and ever and ever. So the second part's kind of easy because my highest number, there is no highest, it just keeps going. My second number is positive infinity. My first number, though, is this point right here, but this point has a 2 and a 7. Remember, range is talking about the y values. So what's the y value here? It's 7. Okay, I don't really care about the 2 when I'm talking about range because that's an x value. We already know 2 is a part of the domain, but we go left from the 2 forever and right from the 2 forever. For the 7, that's as low as we go. The 7 is included, so I do need a bracket, okay? Times when I would maybe use parentheses if I had an asymptote or an open circle. The third question is to describe all the transformations. And I see 3 here. I see the number 3, I see this number 2, and I see this number 7. And we've already, when we talk about the vertex, we've already really almost described 2 transformations, okay? We're gonna say that it moved to the right 2 units. It moved up 7 units, right? The entire parabola, the original y equals x squared parabola moved right 2 and up 7. And then again, this 3 tells me it's a vertical stretch with a factor of 3. And again, I know it says -2 here, but remember HK, you switch the H, you keep the K, or look at the vertex, okay? The vertex clearly went to the right 2 and up 7. Okay, it might have gone left if this was a plus sign. It might have gone down if this one was a minus sign. And it's a vertical stretch when this number's bigger than 1. It's a vertical compression if this number's between 0 and 1.